When deciding who to entrust your new smile with, it's important to select a surgeon who has years of experience and understands the complex anatomy of each individualized person. A couple of questions that we commonly encounter are, how long have you been doing this? So in order to become an oral surgeon, you have to go through 4 years of college and 4 years of dental school, just like a general dentist does. But after that, you have to go on a 4 or 6 year surgical residency training, through which you spend a majority of your time in the hospital and in surgical practice learning the ins and outs of oral surgery. All 3 surgeons here at Lane Oral Surgery have trained extensively in the full scope of oral and maxillofacial surgery. Lane Oral Surgery has over 30 years of experience in dental implant surgery. And what separates us from a lot of other practices is our state-of-the-art technology. We have the ability to 3-dimensionally image your jaw to come up with a customized treatment plan. We have digital scanners which help us digitally plan your whole surgery. And we also have a 3-dimensional printer, which very few offices offer. And with all these advances in technology, we can actually customize your smile and show you it beforehand to allow for a more smooth surgery. To find out more about our state-of-the-art technology and our years of experience, please contact Lane Oral Surgery and come in for a free consultation.